Are you looking for answers on how to stop your child from tattling, but want to encourage them to tell you things you need to know that are happening with their siblings? In this video, I'm going to give you some quick, straightforward answers on how to do just that. If you haven't watched the short video on this channel about how to discern between tattling and telling or informing, let me just quickly say the difference is in the motivation. Tattling is to get another person in trouble. Telling or informing is to help. If you want to know how to discern which one your child is doing at any particular moment, check out that other short video on this channel. So, what do you do if your child has a habit of tattling? You want to teach your child what to do and what not to do. There are times when your child may really be upset because their sibling isn't doing the right thing. They know their brother or sister is disobeying the rules or even possibly putting themselves, others, or property in danger. They need an outlet to do the right thing under these circumstances and not just instructions on what not to do. Here's what to teach your children about tattling versus telling or informing. Number 1, teach them to approach their sibling first. Teach them to first approach their sibling in kindness to address the issue. Talk to them about how they would want an opportunity to correct a problem before their parents get involved, and they should give their sibling that same opportunity. Number 2, teach them to discern what needs to be told. Teach them to discern whether or not it is appropriate to tell you about the problem. If it involves bodily injury to anyone or property damage of any kind, they need to inform you if their sibling will not listen to their warnings to stop the behavior. But if it is not going to involve any of those things, give their sibling some more time to do the right thing. For example, if they aren't doing their daily family contributions or chores, let them know you as a parent will eventually figure this out, and it is between you and their sibling to deal with it. If several days pass and it still isn't addressed and is bothering their spirit, tell them they can inform you with the right motivation in mind. Children see the world in an order when things are as they should be. When there is disorder, for instance, their brother or sister is not obeying the rules and they know it, their spirit is disturbed. They feel anxious and they want to correct it. So telling you is in this case so the world can get back to the order it's supposed to be in. That isn't necessarily tattling. In other words, they're not trying to get the other person in trouble, they're just trying to fix the disorder. Give them an outlet to inform you without accusing them of tattling. Again, you have to discern their motivation and have a discussion with them in order to do that. But the general rule is bodily injury or property damage must be addressed by a parent. Bodily injury would include smoking, drinking, or drug use, obviously, as well as dangerous activities such as getting into fights or swimming somewhere without permission. Help them understand what things you as a parent need to know and what things time will take care of. Generally, make sure they understand the real issue is in their motivation. So if they have the right spirit about what they're telling you, you are willing to listen. So what do you do when your child is tattling? Number 1, ask them first if they approach their sibling to solve the issue. Number 2, ask them why they are giving you this information. Let them think about it. You've already taught them about tattling, so they should be able to stop and think about what they're doing. Number 3, tell them you are not going to be involved with tattling behavior. Now, if the issue needs to be addressed, do it later, out of the earshot of the tattling sibling. Don't go directly to the offender and let the tattler see a reward for their behavior. You can find more about how to handle sibling rivalry, how to train your child to behave, and more on this channel. For more weekly parenting content, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.